Welcome back to my channel, and today is the day I'm doing my fidget haul. I'm gonna have to be quiet because it's really early in the morning. Okay, so we're gonna start with this blue simple dimple. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just ordered these. Okay, one side. This one's a little hard, but I like it. I have a simple dimple. Are you ready, guys? Wait. This one's not very loud, but I like it. Next, I'm going to do my glow-in-the-dark simple dimple. Okay, I have scissors right next to me. It's cotton candy colors. Okay. Okay, this one's louder than the other one. That one's a really good one. Okay, next I'm going to do my red pop tube. The only pop tubes that I have are my only two mini orange pop tubes. It's so big. So big. Wow, this is way bigger than the mini ones. So I like those. I like all of these so far. Okay, next let's go with my cloud poppet I bought. I bought this for only $2, which is very good. Okay. Soft side. Good side. I like this one. It has such a weird feeling. It's so weird. I like how they make their fidgets. Or they just buy them. Next, should I do this one last? No, I'm going to do the rare one last. I know this one is kind of rare, but there is one that is rare. It feels so weird holding this in my hand. Like, is this mine? This is mine now. Ooh, this hard side is hard. It has textures on it. I like it. It's not really meant to pop. It's really only meant for spinning. I don't think anyone could put this in their hand. I like this. If you have like finger issues, then this one's gonna be really hard to pop. It's gonna help your fingers though. The last one, which I'm most excited about, a dimple I've always wanted, and this is a rare sparkly dimple. Oh, it feels so weird. I never thought I was ever going to see one. I really don't know how to pop these. Okay. Well, you push it in and out. Oh my gosh. It's so hard because I've never used these before. The smaller ones are harder to pop. The bigger ones are easier. Oh, the big one's so weird. I'm definitely going to be ordering again. I love this. I finally got one of my dream fidgets is a Simple Dimple. I should have got one of the original Simple Dimples. Those were $2. Well, these were $2. So. I'm just going to be sitting here for hours and playing with these. I feel like the blue one was a little bit of a scam because it's all silicone. It didn't say that. It said it was a Simple Dimple. Shein doesn't have too bad fidgets. I want Shein to sponsor me. They're not too bad. I wish they were a little better. They're probably not like the best quality. Like you probably could find this Pop-It better at Learning Express or something. Even though I don't live near the Learning Express. This one is rare. It does have a gold chain. I do love this spinner. I'm spinning it on the floor. Those are shorts. And also today I'm going to be searching at the dollar store for fidgets later. Really soon. I like that. I think, okay, what's your guys' favorite? My favorite is either this pop tube, the sparkly dimple, or this simple dimple. I don't really know how to hold it. I've never had one, so. But it is called candy color. That's one of my favorite foods. Can I hold it like this, or? I like just popping it like a Pop-It, kind of. Oh wait, it's glow in the dark. It just smells gross. This one was $3 actually. Does it glow for you guys? Why is it not glowing? My light is off, but. Oh, it glows a little. I'm probably going to do a fidget ASMR on these. Won't I? I will have to. I'm a little disappointed on them from this Simple Dimple. Look how bad of it is. It doesn't even pop. Bye guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video where I'm reviewing fidgets from Shein. No, it's not sponsored. Wow, that's actually kind of cool. Oh. You cannot see. Can you guys see my eye? Bye! Wait. So, also subscribe and like if you haven't already, because I'm just so close to 20 subscribers. We're doing a huge video when I get them. One more, just one more, guys, please. I might do a giveaway, maybe. Well, you'll see, guys. Look at it, it's like, I believe I could fly. I believe I could touch the sky. Found it. Okay, guys. Bye. Whoop.